Welcome back, guys. We're here with Unice hair once more. So this is the wig which you're gonna get into. I also got a branded drawstring bag, you know, great for storage. I got a branded elastic band, a edge brush and comb with a extra head. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I got another pair, another elastic headband. Oh my gosh, they sent so many, and I got another one. A lot of goodies in today's package. And then we got some knots lace tape. That's everything in the box. So let's go ahead and get into the wig. So this is Unice's HD Bye Bye Cap or HD Bye Bye Knots wig. It's a 13x4 invisible lace front, okay, and it's body wave, a body wave texture, 1B color. I love the curls, I love the waves that come in it right off the bat. So bouncy and soft and silky. And just to let you guys know, this is a drawstring cap construction. It's one of their newest cap constructions, and I love a good drawstring construction because it's very secure. They also have a adjustable elastic band on the inside. Then they have this portion to the lace which is like, you know, a magic layer. This would like appear more like scalp, so you can't really see the knots. You see that? And everything is pre-done for you, pre-bleach, pre-pluck, pre-cut. Everything is done for you. They even applied some lace tapes already on the ear portion so that the lace will lay nice and flat and won't lift at all. And inside of the cap at the back, you have a comb. There are adjustable straps as well. And just so you guys know exactly how to use this, all you have to do to adjust this is literally adjust it to how tight you want it to be. Take this first knob, put it to where you want it to be, and then to lock that in place, you take this smaller knob and you kind of slide it down, and it is locked in place. It will not move, okay? So that's how you do that. And when you're ready to release it, you just do the reverse, literally. So quite easy, very beginner friendly, and it's a gorgeous glueless construction. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this very easy wig installation. So let's go. This is how it looks. So before I go ahead and secure the sides, I'm gonna just go ahead and secure the drawstring portion. You pull it to where you want it to be. You pull the first knob in place, and then you take the second knob and lock that in, and you're good to go. And then all I do, I take this and I tuck it beneath the cap. I love the drawstring cap construction because you immediately feel the difference with how secure the wig gets. Let me give you a shake test. Like, it is definitely game changer. So I love it. So as I see, everything, as I say, is pre-done for you. I'm gonna go in and remove the tape from the side here so it sticks good, so that it's not flapping. But the lace is giving. The lace is giving. They customized this really well. So
it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh, yeah.
And that is gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Absolutely no adhesive right off the bat. Oh my gosh, just all I did was secure the sides. Like, this wig is super secure and completely glueless. Like, they did their big one on this. It's not in the heaviest way. I promise you, this is not going to slip off your head or slip back, or no, it's gonna sit exactly where you put it. It's very realistic looking. Absolutely no baby hairs needed, okay? And these curls that it came with are absolutely stunning. Of course, you know, you could go ahead and restyle this like in different ways as you please. So feel free to go ahead and experiment with different hairstyle. The hair is very soft, very soft. I love the body, love it. So that's how it's looking directly out of the box without me styling it or anything. Literally just applying it in less than 10 minutes, less than 5. I want to say 10 is even too long. So you could definitely feel free to go ahead and, you know, do a side part with this, you know, just do like a nice flip over vibe. It's looking very effortless and realistic. I love that. So, you know, play around with it. So that's like look number 1. All right, and then now let's do another look.
Got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose my breath.
So you see how easy it is to play around with it and like style it differently. Absolutely stunning. So now let's go into another look, the final look that I'm gonna do, which is I'm gonna just keep it in the center part. I'll touch up the bangs, but this is it's too easy. It's too easy to work with. It's like so easy to work with. I know you guys see like what the hair quality is nice and soft. The hair is full. By the way, I'm gonna be sure to put the specifications in the description box, so please go ahead and check that. Yeah, you could create like the perfect curtain bang vibe with this as well. Like I literally don't even have to really do anything to it. Like everything looks great, but you guys know me, I'm just gonna touch up the front just a tad. I'm also gonna take my hot comb and just kind of get the top flatter. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm kind of gonna speed through it.
Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
Absolutely stunning. The hair is so silky and soft. Yeah, definitely a 10. Definitely a 10. And I gave you guys multiple looks, so I love that. So you definitely can play around with this wig being glueless without having to apply any adhesive. They made it so easy, so user friendly, so beginner friendly. What more could you ask for, right? So I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications. Any deal, any discount that may be available will be listed if there's any. And yeah, so go ahead, check out my description box for that. That is it for today's wig look. I hope you guys found this informative. Shout out to Unice here once more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So yeah, that's it for today.